Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's July 1st, my birthday. I'm 55 today. I know, I look a lot older. As of 4:30 this morning, I have decided I'm going to cook for my birthday. Robin offered again and again and again to take me out wherever I wanted to go. It's not on her. I want to cook. She was even going to take me to sushi. I love sushi. But I decided, nope, I'm going to cook. And I'll get to what I'm cooking in a second. First, yesterday, I did a Cajun shrimp and sausage pasta. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yes. Used my Cajun blend, spice blend. Yeah, it knocks it out of the park every time. I will share my Cajun spice blend in Facebook. And of course, this recipe. I did one change because I oopsed on my shopping list and I didn't get a second bell pepper. So I substituted it with about 4 to 5 ounces of frozen corn. It was really good. Robin even liked it. Robin normally likes what I cook, but it was a good substitution. So let's get going on what I'm doing for my birthday. Got some hardware. Got a cast iron skillet, another nonstick skillet, and we're doing steaks. Yes, I want to do steaks. I'm going to do a compound butter with some dried tarragon, and of course butter, and some other, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to put in it, but Robin suggested the tarragon. So I'm going to do tarragon and some other yummies. I'm doing potato lyonnaise. One, Robin loves this dish, and I want to redeem myself from the last time. So I went to the market. I've already been to the market. Got the steaks, got the fixings for potato lyonnaise. There's butter in everything. And I'm doing my corn and pea sauté with a little bit of garlic, some diced shallot, diced red pepper, and of course, butter. Got the hardware out for the lyonnaise. Yeah, that's what I'm doing for my birthday. Because I want to cook. Got a lot of things done on the cookbook yesterday. Robin and I had a powwow. If you've been seeing the posts about elephants and bites, because I feel that I'm trying to eat the elephant all in one bite. So I'm taking it bite by bite. Like I said, Robin and I had a nice powwow. This is the biggest thing I've ever produced when it comes to writing. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, I've written papers, stuff like that, but never something like this. So big learning curve between Robin and I's computer skills and so forth, yada, yada, yada. It'll come together. But one bite at a time. So the elephant's still there. Just one bite at a time. Wow, it's going to be hot, which is, I don't even want to think about the heat this week. Yeah. I really like Bob Harlan's weather reports, but not this week's. Yeah. All right. So on this July 1st, Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.